Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a little bit different. I've come to a spot in this woodland and I'm just going to make a fire like I've done, cook some food and just enjoy sort of the bushcraft scene. I haven't done a video like this for so long, so yeah, I thought I'd mix it up and try something a little bit different. And I guess this is how my channel started really. This is what made me progress and grow on YouTube, was actually starting off as like, what was it, 15, 16-year-old doing like bushcraft and just doing the real simple thing of going out into the woods and enjoying nature and everything. So yeah, haven't done a video like this for a while. It's like going back to my roots, and yeah, it's just so nice to be out. It's proper chilled. Bought some steak with me, some asparagus. First time ever trying asparagus, so I'll see how that goes. I thought I'd try it. Just started the fire with Flint and steel. It's been so long since I've done that, and managed to get the gist of it again. So while I'm here, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone for the support that I've received recently. I've had so many nice comments and messages and all sorts to help support my journey, and I've also had some new Patreons who have followed me and become part of the little Patreon family. So it's so lovely and it means so much. So difficult when I receive quite a few comments on my videos to reply to them all, so I thought it'd be a lot easier to say it in a video and just say thank you for all the nice comments. I go through and read them all, but I think the time this video goes on, it will be nearing the end of the year and we're around Christmas time. So I hope everyone's had an amazing 2021 and that you've done a lot with it, you've used your time wisely and enjoyed it and been happy. And a Merry Christmas if you're celebrating Christmas. And I hope things go back to normal in 2022 and we get a little bit more freedom in the ways of less restrictions and being able to travel. That would be amazing. I know a lot of people do want to go away on trips and things, so that will be nice if things begin to change. But yeah, I wish you all the best in the new year. So I'm going to make the fire really hot, try get some nice coals and then cook my steak on them. Plan of action is I'm going to make a little rub to go on my steak. I've got this lovely mortar and tenon, I think it's called. This is absolutely gorgeous wood and it's used for making little things and grinding up whatever you want in there. So for this I'm going to use a little mix to put on my steak, but this is off the lovely Petromax. They sent it to me for a little Christmas present, which is really sweet, and I'm going to use that a lot in my videos. But that is a really nice grain on that wood, really like that. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some pepper, some salt, garlic and some other spices in there, grind them up and then put them onto my steak. I feel like sauces and sometimes rubs can ruin a nice steak though, so I try and keep it like simple. Got little Buster with me as well in the background. What are you doing? Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, you can have some steak. I think with me, when it comes to like the winter and the colder months, I love getting into like bushcraft and making fires and stuff. More so. I still like doing it in the summer, but I think it's a nice chilled thing to do. And then summer months I tend to like going on some trips. But I think it is healthy to mix things up and have change. And I've always liked doing that, just to make things a bit different. So this is doing a great job. I want to say a huge thank you to Maureen from Petromax for sending me this. So I'm just waiting for the embers to die down. I'll get the steak on, put it on the coals, and also cook my asparagus. But I've made up the rub now, so that should be really nice. I think Buster wants some as well. Don't you, boy? But yeah, Buster turned 10 last month, so November the 7th. And he's getting on now. He's like an old boy. But he still likes to come out with me, which is nice. But it is a really nice day, but I think it's going to rain in a minute. It looks like it's going to rain. That's why I'm glad I put the tarp up. But also I put the tarp really high just because of the wind is all over the place. It's like southeasterlies and blowing all over the gaff. So I put the tarp higher just so if any embers spark off the fire, they won't burn through this. That's why it's nice to have a canvas tarp. Right, this is lush, really nice. Steak tastes so different when you cook it on the coals. You'd think it would taste just like wood or like burntness, but once you actually wipe the embers off and all the charcoal, it tastes really good. Steady. So I've just been stropping my knife The food was so good, really enjoyed that. So did Buster, I think. It was lush to come out and video yet again. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you to all my lovely Patreons. So anyway, take care and I will see you on the next video. Cheers. Say bye.